Now let us come to the next important property of high on water, antioxidant properties. Here I will measure the antioxidant properties using this ORP meter. So more negative the value, more is the antioxidant potential. Why is that? Because the negative charge denotes excess electrons, and these excess electrons neutralizes the free radicals in the body, hence preventing them from damaging the healthy cells. The free radicals in our body is also responsible for premature aging, wrinkles in our skin, degeneration of bones and many other diseases. So now let us measure the reading of the most common antioxidants known to us. So here we have green tea, purified drinking water and high on water. So before moving on to all of this, I have a small magic for you. In this glass I have high on water, and I will put one of these tomatoes in this water and leave it for 10 minutes. Let us see what happens. So now let us measure the antioxidant properties of this green tea using the ORP meter. So now I will turn this ORP meter on. It has been turned on, and I'll dip this electrode into the green tea. So as you can see, the measure has started to increase around towards the positive 50 side. It has now reached positive 60 and still increasing. And we can see now it is settling towards 68 or 70. So what does positive 70 mean? Positive 70 means around roughly 10 lakh electrons, and 10 lakh electrons neutralizes 10 lakh free radicals in our body. But our body has around trillions of free radicals. So how much difference would a glass of green tea make? Even though it is fair good enough as compared to other liquids, it still doesn't make all the difference. So now let us measure the antioxidant properties of regular drinking water, something that we consume every day. So now I will turn on this ORP meter and I'll dip the electrode in our drinking water. So we can see that the measure is now around positive 200, close to it. So we can conclude that the reading is around 200. So what does this mean? This roughly translates into approximately no antioxidant properties, and virtually it has no electrons. So what is the benefit from drinking this? So now let us proceed to checking the ORP of high on alkaline water. Again I'll dip the electrode in high on alkaline water, and now let us have a look at the readings. Oh my god, look at how fast the reading is increasing towards the negative side. And now it is around negative 420. So now what does this mean? This means around, if you translate it, around trillions of electrons, which means it is stabilizing, it is neutralizing trillions of free radicals. So can we say that 1 cup of alkaline water is equivalent to 10 cups of green tea, or maybe 10 apples? So the benefit it does to your body is unimaginable. Now let us come back to the tomatoes. So what did we do? We had 2 tomatoes, out of which we had put one in high on alkaline water for roughly around 10 minutes. And one was kept outside. Now what I will do, I will compare both the antioxidant properties of these tomatoes. So now I will cut this tomato. And I will put the electrode into this tomato. Now as you can see, the reading is going towards the positive side, and now it has touched 167. So this, what does this signify? This means that your tomato, which has been kept outside, it generates a minimal amount of electrons, hence not giving a lot of benefit to the body. Now let us see where the magic happens when we keep the tomato in high on water. Again I will put the electrode in the tomato that had been sitting in high on water. And now let us see how the reading is rushing towards the negative side. So now it is reaching minus 370 and it's still increasing. still increasing, and now it has touched the minus 400 point. And what can we conclude by this? It is now generating trillions of electrons. So can you imagine the benefit it does by neutralizing all those free radicals which are present in your body? We can conclude that all living things have negative charge. When tomatoes are freshly plucked from plants, they still have a little bit of negative charge left in them. But over time, as they lose electrons and they lose the negative charge, they shift towards the positive side. Now, when we dip the tomato in ion alkaline water, it regains its life and it regains the electrons, hence increasing its nutritional value. Also, you would have noticed that the color of this water has changed. This is because the pesticides on the outer covering of the tomato has been washed off because of the alkaline water.